Hey Mary Lou, it's Devin. Thank you so much for talking to me earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix to start bringing in more customers. You're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's really simple. There's just a lot of business owners out there that are spending all of their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and they just typically don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. Typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners out there who end up calling me back and saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? So at the end of this all, if you do like this video and you want some help, you can always give me a call. If you want to take this information and do it yourself, that's okay too. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. I just want to start by saying I really love the look of your website. It's very clean. It's very sleek. I like this photo back here and the little gallery that scrolls. It looks really nice. You did a great job on the design part of your website for sure. Google just doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. They care mostly about this content right here, whatever you can read and whatever your images are saved as. And they scan through this to look for keywords. Now, they want a lot of content on a page because the website's the most content in their eyes, have the most information, so they're the most helpful. So the average website on the front page of Google right now has about 2,000 words, and that's what you're going to want to have. You probably have about 300 right now, so you're going to want to have about 2,000 words on this page. If you look at your main competitors, you've got Burleson Air right here. These guys have a good amount of content, but they don't really have 2,000 words themselves, so you're going to completely blow them out of the water by getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to make sure that you have other trustworthy websites vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if another HVAC company is linking to you versus if, like, Pizza Hut was linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. There are a bunch of free tools out there. I just use this because I'm in the industry, but it does give you a lot of really valuable info I'll show you. So it shows like your page titles right here, obviously your URL, but it shows that you've been getting links since July of 2016. You currently have 18 websites linking to you, which is a great start. And if you want to beat Burleson Air, it's really not that hard. They only have 8 more websites linking to them. So what I would do is just copy them, and I would not just take 8. I would, take 20 of them or 25 of them and blow them out of the water. Just go visit these different websites that they have that are linking to them, create an account with them, and put like a link to your profile, or you can click the Contact Us button and ask for a link back to you. But by beating these guys with just those 2 tips, with the content and with the backlinks, this is how you take the organic spot on Google. And organic is one of 3 places you can show up. Organic is right down here. You also can show up right up here in the ads by paying for them, and you can get mixed results with this. But the very best place to show up is right here in the Google My Business section. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors, and a citation is just anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages and White Pages and Facebook and stuff like that. So what I would do is I would figure out what directories more air and heat is listed in, list yourself in those same ones, and then add a bunch more on top. Like if they were in 150, I'd be putting myself in like 250, if not 300. But that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. Just as a very quick recap, you're going to want to get this website up to about 2,000 words on the homepage. You're going to want to add, I'd say like, you want to blow these guys a little water. Add 15 to 20 websites linking to you by just copying them. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And just by following these 3 tips, you'll be number 1 across Google on all these different spots. So you're probably wondering, what do I do now? Well, you have 2 options. You can either take this information, you can apply it yourself, you can get yourself ranked up, and that's awesome. I love to see businesses thrive, and I'd love to hear your feedback on what you thought about the information in this video. If you do want any help getting this stuff done, or if you want to just continue running your business and not even worry about this side of things, just give me a call. I can put you in the right direction, whether I can help you or not. I'll at least make sure that you're guided in the right path for wherever you want to go. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. Bye.